Students, let's see how to draw a ray diagram. First, take a rounder, fix a pencil into a rounder. Then, with the help of scale, take a distance of 8 cm into a rounder. Now, when you take the distance of 8 cm, then fix at one point, the rounder at one point, and then draw a arc on the paper. So this is the arc which is drawn at this from this center. Now with the pencil you have to mark the center of the rounder. So where the point it was placed, see this point is the point C, which is the center of the circle of which the mirror is a part. Then draw a line which is passing through the center of the mirror and meeting the mirror. This point is known as the pole of the mirror. This is the geometric center of the mirror, which is known as pole of the mirror. Now, we all know that the focus is at a point of half distance. So, this total distance is 8 cm. Now, here at 4 cm, mark one point which will be the focus of the mirror. So, see what we have done. We have taken 8 cm distance into a rounder. Then we have placed the rounder at one point. We have drawn an arc of 8 cm. Then we have marked the center of the mirror with C. This is the center of the mirror, which is pole. This is the center of the sphere, which is C. Then we have drawn a perpendicular line which is passing through center and the pole, which is principal axis. This is principal axis. Now, then we have taken the distance of 4 cm where the focus of the mirror is placed. So this is how you have to draw the initial part of the ray diagram. Let's see how to draw the ray diagram when you place the object at different position. For example, I have placed the object beyond C. Beyond C मतलब ये mirror है, ये mirror के यहाँ पे C है. Beyond C मतलब C के ये side में. So if this is my object, the object can be anything. It can be a person, it can be a candle, anything. So ये object है. See that this line should not go outside the level of the mirror. इसके ऊपर नहीं जानी चाहिए. It should be within this level. Now we have seen rules to draw ray diagram. Now this is the object. See, I am drawing one ray which is coming from the tip of the object. This is the ray which is passing parallel to principal axis. So when a ray passes parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will pass through the focus. So see, this ray will pass through the focus. Okay, this is reflected ray. I am drawing second ray. This ray is passing through the focus. After reflection, it will pass parallel to the principal axis. So this is the second rule which I have used. Now these reflected ray and this reflected ray, they meet at this point. So mark this arrow image of the object. You can see this image compared to the object. This object was this way, but the image is upside down. So the image is inverted. This image is, object size is big compared to the image. So image is diminished and the image is obtained in front of mirror. So it is real image. So this is how you have to draw a ray diagram. First take the distance of 8 cm in the circle. Then mark the arc of 8 cm. Then mark the center of the circle. Mark the pole of the pole, that is the center of the mirror. Then draw a imaginary line passing through center of curvature and pole. It should be a straight line. Then mark the focus at a half distance from the center of curvature. So अगर ये 8 है तो ये 4 होना चाहिए between the center of curvature and focus and pole. It should be 4 cm both. Then draw a object at different position and then use the rules to draw the ray diagram. See, ये रे डायग्राम के जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज है ये कहाँ मिलते हैं, वो ही पे हमें इमेज मिलता है. सो सी, ये इंसिडेंट रे आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन, दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, एंड फॉर सेकेंड रे इज दिस इंसिडेंट रे, after reflection this is the reflected ray. Always see, you have to show the incident ray from the tip of the object. ये यहां से नहीं दिखाना है, ये हमेशा ये टिप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट से ही दिखाना है. सो दे शुड कम फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट एंड यूज द रूल्स टू ड्रॉ द रे डायग्राम. सो प्रैक्टिस ड्रॉइंग द rules to draw the ray diagram for convex mirror. So when you draw a ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. Then when you passes through focus, after reflection it will pass parallel to principal axis. When it passes through center of curvature, it will pass in the same direction. And when it is passing through pole, it makes the same angle with the principal axis. So these are different rules to draw ray diagram for convex mirror. Then there are, the last part of the lesson is uses of concave and convex mirror. So concave mirror, this is a converging mirror. Remember, concave mirror is the converging mirror. Converging क्यों? Because the rays of light after reflection they meet at a point in concave mirror. So देखो यहाँ पे concave mirror, see this is a concave mirror. When you focus the incident rays here after reflection they meet at a particular point. So this point where they meet is convergence, converging point. So concave mirror is known as converging mirror. Whereas if you see a convex mirror, when you focus incident rays, these rays due to this curved part of the mirror, they spread outside, they diverge, they do not meet. So therefore convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Concave is converging mirror, convex is diverging mirror. Next part is, what are the uses of the ray diagram? Different types of mirror. So concave mirror uses are, it can be used in solar cooker, satellite dish, or it is used in the reflecting telescope because it focus converge करता है rays. इसलिए solar cooker में light converge होती है एक जगह पे and then the food gets cooked. Even in satellite dish, the frequency of rays is converged. Reflecting telescope also, it is used in projector lamps and floodlights. It is used in torches and headlights of cars and bikes. It is used in shaving mirrors and by doctors to check eyes, nose and teeth as it gives a magnified image. तो concave mirror की डेंटिस्ट क्यों यूज करते हैं? टू गिव अ मैग्निफाइड इमेज. अगर कैविटी हो, नोज में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है रिलेटेड टू बोन्स और समथिंग, दैट टाइम दे गेट अ मैग्निफाइड इमेज बाय यूजिंग द कॉन्केव मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, इट इज यूज्ड एज अ रियर व्यू मिरर. जैसे हमारे विंग्स होते हैं ना, विंग मिरर ऑटोमोबाइल्स के, कार्स में जो विंग्स होते हैं, सो दैट आर द विंग मिरर्स और रियर व्यू मिरर्स. इट इज यूज्ड, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इज यूज्ड इन दैट एंड इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज रिफ्लेक्टर इन स्ट्रीट लाइट्स. सो स्ट्रीट लाइट देखो, लाइट क्या होता है, डाइवर्ज होता है स्ट्रीट लाइट का. लाइट सिर्फ नीचे ही नहीं रहता है जहां पे लाइट लगा है, इट एक्चुअली स्प्रेड्स इन ऑल डायरेक्शन बिकॉज वी यूज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर बिकॉज इट इज अ डाइवर्जिंग मिरर. So it is used in the reflector in street lamp so as to diverge the light over a large area. So these are the different types of mirror and its uses. We have finished the lesson. Go through the lesson, read the part and practice drawing ray diagram. That is very important part.